In this clip, I show how to buy shares of MEDIROM Healthcare Technologies Inc. MEDIROM is a medical technology company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker MRM. This is an educational walkthrough, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and here I use eToro as an example. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and you will need to add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker MRM. Then locate the listing that matches MEDIROM Healthcare Technologies Inc. to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart. Confirm the company name, ticker MRM, and NASDAQ listing to make sure it is the right stock. To invest, click the Trade or Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, then review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order will be queued or placed as a market on open order. And if your balance is insufficient, the platform will ask you to add funds before final confirmation. Once executed, the position will appear in your portfolio. Check the description for the link used in this demonstration.